Ever pondered over how electricity flows or how your devices operate on this fascinating force of nature? Well, a lot of it has to do with three key players: voltage, current, and resistance, which are interconnected through a fundamental principle known as Ohm's law. Imagine an adventurous journey of electrons, where the battery acts as their starting point, the wires as their route, and the resistor as their final destination. The journey begins with the connection of a power source, say a battery, to a resistor using wires. This setup serves as our basic circuit. Now the journey of electrons or the flow of current can begin. Picture a voltmeter, an instrument that measures the push or force that drives our adventurous electrons. This force is known as voltage. By connecting the voltmeter across the resistor, the voltage can be measured. But what about the flow of electrons? How can we measure how many of them are flowing? Enter the ammeter, a device that measures the rate of electron flow or current. By connecting an ammeter in series with the resistor, the current flowing through it can be measured. At this point, the journey of the electrons is a bit too easy. To make it more challenging, imagine a variable resistor that changes the difficulty level of the electron's path. By adjusting the resistance of this variable resistor, the flow of electrons or current can be controlled. Now comes the part where observations need to be recorded. The voltage and current readings are noted down. This data will be of prime importance for our final analysis. The process doesn't end here, however. The resistance is changed, and the cycle of measuring voltage and current is repeated. Each change brings about a new set of readings, enriching the data collected. Finally, the moment of truth arrives. The collected data points are plotted on a graph with voltage on one axis and current on the other. A line is drawn, and the slope of this line represents the resistance. And there you have it, a practical demonstration of Ohm's law, which states that voltage equals the product of current and resistance. This experiment not only verifies this fundamental relationship, but also provides an insight into the intricate dance between voltage, current, and resistance powering the world of electricity. Always remember, safety comes first. When conducting this experiment, take all necessary precautions. And don't forget, the power of understanding electricity lies in your hands. All it takes is a battery, a resistor, a couple of measuring devices, and a spark of curiosity. So delve into the electrifying world of Ohm's law and let the journey of electrons enlighten your understanding of electricity.